Hello everybody. Now we introduce you about to create to part 8. Yes, continue from part 7. The part 8 we want to show you about how to uh, create the gray horizontal navigation bar. Hero navigation bar. Okay, the part 7 we show you about the how to fix navigation bar for top or bottom menu, yeah, navigation. But part 8 I we want to show you about to how to create the gray menu. Yes, the same you can go to your part 7. Okay, web developer. Okay, uh, you can copy. Okay, and paste. Okay, 8. How to create a gray navigation bar. Yes. Okay. Okay, and then you can open with your dream. Yes. Very easy. We show you about the step by step to for tutorials. Uh, we do that to follow. We want to everyone to study and practice success with us. Okay, this part 7. Okay, the part 8. Okay, we want to the body style. Okay, do you UL. Okay, we need style, left style. Okay, nature 0, pending 0. Okay, overflow hidden. Okay, we add border. Okay, we add border 1 pixel. Okay, and solid. Yes, and then the color E7. Okay, the hijack. Okay, and the background. Okay, the background we want to f3. Okay, and okay, this position and bottom and width we not need. Yes. Okay, float left for left. Okay, the child. Okay, no need. Okay, and list. Okay, block. Color. Okay, color 6. Okay, uh, okay, center. Check a launch. Okay, pending. Okay, 14 and 16. Okay, take direction and okay, overflow background. DTT. Okay. Okay, the gray. Yes, and the active. Yes, active. Okay, the active. Okay, we want to color. Okay, color white. F. Okay, and the background color. Okay, we can choose. Okay, and the another information we not need. Okay, I show you about active class. Okay, this active no need to write. Okay, and we want to active class, the class. Okay, equal active. Okay. Oh, it has, yes. Okay, I delete that. Okay, now we, okay, I save the file, yes. Okay, you can open browse with a browser. Okay, this we want to create a gray menu. Yes, when you active it blue, yes, and the color white, take color, yes. Now active is the gray, yes, is okay. You can practice with us. I think that you can create a menu for wonderful, yes, for your projects. Okay, thank you for your watch our tutorial video. Yes, I hope to you who can continue with the another part. Yes, I I want to show to every technical to create a web. Yes, thank you for your learning. Yes.